Meet the Pedrazzoli Super Brown 350, where raw power and precision engineering come together to shape industrial cutting. Available in both manual and automatic models, with 2 voltage options for the manual versions. The manual model, with its 2 voltage options, 480 volt and 220 volt, is built to fit seamlessly into any shop, anywhere. Every great result starts with a solid setup. Assemble the handle to the cutting head by simply tightening the tapered screw, ensuring a secure grip for a precise cut. When performing miter cuts, simply pull the handle to unlock the head. Swivel it to the desired angle, using the clear scale to line it up perfectly. Once positioned, push the handle back into place to lock the head, setting the stage for a precise cut. Advance the clamp using the hand wheel, then lock them in place. Cutting begins by simply pressing the trigger and pulling down on the handle. Engineered for speed and consistency, its semi-automatic cycle handles the details, ensuring precision and boosting productivity with every single cut. To start cycle, simply press the foot pedal. This finely tuned system moves the head at a consistent speed, ensuring a perfectly smooth and precise finish every time. The machine's robust motor powers the head down, effortlessly cutting through steel. The Pedrazzoli Super Brown 350. Engineered for power, designed for precision, and built to elevate your workshop. Contact us for our complete line of saws.